Welcome friends, I don't want to disappoint you people without my weekly forecast during the weekend. So I thought of doing the Nifty review also quickly. So as usual, the newcomers, please subscribe to our channel. Here you will get the Nifty forecast and Bank Nifty forecast for the next week during the previous week's Saturday or Sunday, which might be helpful for you to take good positions and make decent profits. I would not say you would end with jackpot kind of profits every time. That is a false commitment. But I can say you that you may end with decent profits. Decent profit in the sense at least 2000 to 5000 rupees in one trade. Last week during budget we have given 17,500 call and it rocked like anything. The 100 rupee bet which we have suggested has delivered us more than 200% returns, because 313 was the high of 17,500 call which we have given during the budget time. So every time we will not get this kind of returns, but this is one of case. Every time we may get somewhere near 2000 to 5000 rupees in one particular trade in our suggestions. Sometimes we may also fail because there is no one 100% in markets. That is the reality. If somebody says that he is 100% in markets, then he is a fraud which is trying to fool you. So now we will go into the analysis part. Like always, I have opened Nifty's daily chart, marked the high and low of previous week. Along with that, I have added two moving average. The one in black is 20 moving average and the one in red is the 50 moving average. Nifty was not participating like Bank Nifty during last week. As a result, it broke the 200. It has taken a clear halt at 20 moving average and then dropped down. At the same time, it has not breached the 50 moving average as well. So Monday or Tuesday, this will become the key reference point. If market is not breaking this 50 moving average, which is currently priced at 17,438. Tomorrow, if Nifty is not breaking this level, and on Tuesday also Nifty is not breaking this level, means he is definitely set for the upside once again. And on the upside, the first resistance comes at the previous week's high, which is 17,795 approximately. 794.60 is the exact level. 17,595, say about 17,800. This will be the immediate resistance for Nifty to cross. Once crossed, a psychological resistance mark will be 18,000. These are the levels in which Nifty can be trading for the next week. However, if 18,000 is crossed, if there is a big if, remember, because we are having a VIX above 17, even above 18, 18.9 is the yesterday's, Friday's close. So with VIX being at the higher end, volatility will be obviously high. In that case, anything could happen. Either Nifty can even break 17,400 levels, which is the 50 moving average, or Nifty can even break on the higher side the resistance of 17,800 and climb towards 18,000 and 18,350 levels. Anything could happen. So mark the levels, or at least note the levels in a notepad, which will be handy for you to see during market hours. and then trade accordingly. Based on this, I will suggest you a decent bet. Since this is an indecisive situation, we are expecting upside. Many people say that my views are always biased towards bulls. Yes, I accept it. Why? Because fall in markets are temporary and rise in markets are permanent. Even in a falling market, we will be able to make money by taking a call option or by taking a long position. It's all about timing matters. Where we take and where we exit. That matters. So don't worry about it. Just mark the levels. You need not worry until Nifty is getting or going below the 50 SMA, which is at 17,438 odd levels right now. Until this time, you need not worry. If at all, if he goes to this level, there is a definite chance of this lower level support is getting tested immediately, which is 17,245. On the same hand, if he is breaking 17,800 again, very good chance of testing 18,000 once again. As it is indecisive as right now, I am suggesting a call as well as put for next week trading. A 17,600 call and 17,400 put, which is currently priced with a combined premium of 200 rupees approximately, 196 if you want to say exactly. There will be the adjustment of like 5 to 10 points during the close. So probably the current price would be hovering somewhere near 200 rupees approximately. Tomorrow, if markets opens flat, if it opens with a gap up, just stay with patience. For any kind of retracement, whether Nifty comes to previous day's close, or if it is not coming to previous day's close, just ignore the trade. If you want the correct levels, if at all, if you see Nifty around 17,500 mark tomorrow at any time, be it opening or at 12 a.m. or 12 noon or even at 3 o'clock or 3:30, you can take both these positions, 17,400 put as well as 17,600 call. The combined premium will be approximately between 160 to 180 tomorrow, definitely, if the situation arises like what I said, somewhere near 17,500, the combined premium would be definitely 150 to 180 max. Because of time decay, Saturday, Sunday, definitely the premium would have got reduced by 10 or 15% by tomorrow. So if we get a bet somewhere like that, like 150 to 180 combined, both put together, you can take a position. Any one-sided move will happen once the support or resistance is getting breached. If 17,438 is getting breached, definitely 17,250 will be coming. If 17,250 will be coming means our 17,400 put will rise and call will reduce. We will get a return of like the combined premium of somewhere between 280 to 300 would be the combined premium at that stage. And if at all, if it breaks on the higher side and moves towards 18,000, the put will go for a toss. At the same time, the 17,600 call will raise towards 400, which means 200 will become, our 180 will become 350 rupees to 400 rupees. Hope this is very clear, and my condition is to take only between the combined when the combined premium comes between 150 to 180, and at the same time Nifty should be hovering near 17,500 mark. I am suggesting both. Why? Because it is indecisive as of now. And one more thing I am noticing here is, if Nifty is supposed to complete this V pattern, this is V, right? If Nifty is going to complete this V pattern, he will definitely take support at this particular area and definitely break this area and climb towards this 18,500, sorry, 18,350 in next couple of days time. I wouldn't say that this 18,350 will come in next week, but there are possibilities that it will take support over here and near the 50 moving average, and then it will climb towards this particular area probably the next week. So maybe next week he can come and try to test the 18,000 odd levels, and next week he can move towards the 18,345 350 levels. That will be happening if Nifty is supposed to complete this V pattern. Generally speaking, all these pattern will be definitely fulfilled at one stage in any kind of index and or any kind of stocks, provided the proper supports are respecting. Here the proper support for Nifty is coming at 50 moving average. Only if we close below the 50 moving average, we need to worry, or else bulls need not worry. Definitely Nifty will climb up if this particular support is holding. And we had already seen that SBI posting a good result. SBI is also having a good weightage in index like Nifty. As I said earlier in Bank Nifty review, if SBI is going to move up, definitely it will take ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, who are the corporate lenders, along with it. So trade accordingly to the levels. Probably you can mark your levels or write in a notepad if you want, or else you can see the video anytime you require. And I would like to just remind the condition: Nifty, if it comes to 17,000, comes near 17,500 odd levels once again tomorrow, I mean on Monday, you can take a 17,400 and 17,600 put and call for a combined premium of 150 to 180 rupees. That would be a good bet for next week. Hope it is pretty clear as I have reiterated it once again. I would share our Telegram links, whatever is available, in the description of this particular video. You can subscribe to them as well, because during live markets we will be always active in Telegram, and there is a group we have exclusively created for resolving queries of members who are got trapped in their personal positions. So make utilize of it. It is absolutely free of cost as of now. You can raise your queries if you are getting trapped in some other wrong position or wrong direction. We will be able to provide you right advice based on technical parameters by referring the charts. I will not give you blind supports or blind resistance when you ask a query in my queries group. I will definitely check the charts and then I will respond you accordingly. My response will reach you within 24 hours time maximum. Most probably during live markets, if I am active and I have a little bit of time, I will definitely check and post it, reply you within very quick time. If you raise a query post market hours, I will be able to resolve it by next day morning. Have a good day. Bye all. See you in our next video.